Hello everybody, this is Valencia and welcome to my channel Balloons and Business, where I show you the business of balloon and event decor. So today I'm going to show you how I made this balloon garland, which would be great for events like baptisms and holidays like Easter. So if you want to see how I made it, just stay tuned.
Walk in the room and everybody's got opinions, but I don't really care. I'm head to toe in my brilliance. You can look at my smile and let it shine on your diamonds, cause I'm way too high on myself, and you can't bring me down, 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 down. You can't bring me down, 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 down. And you can't bring me down, so don't quit the music. I don't wanna lose this feeling. I didn't come here for no one. I just came for myself and have a super fun, sexy time. And have a super fun, sexy time. I give me a super fun, sexy high. Oh yeah, super fun, sexy time. Elevated, 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 elevated. Not much of a dancer, I've always had 2 left feet, but tonight you can't tell me nothing. I'm on this sexy beat. You can say what you want to. I've never ever been so free. Might as well be on the ceiling, cause I don't see you. And you can't bring me down, 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 down. You can't bring me down, 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 down. You can't bring me down, so don't quit the music. I don't wanna lose this feeling. I didn't come here for no one. I just came for myself and have a super fun, sexy time. And have a super fun, sexy time. I give me a super fun, sexy high. Oh yeah, super fun, sexy time. Elevated, 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 elevated. And you can't bring me down, 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 down. 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 You can't bring me down, so don't quit the music. I don't wanna lose this feeling. I didn't come here for no one. I just came for myself and have a super fun, sexy time. And have a super fun, sexy time. I give me a sexy high. Oh yeah, super fun, sexy time. Elevated, 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 elevated. Maybe I'm too black, maybe I'm too bold. Sip up on this coffee, tell me, do I taste too strong? Maybe you don't like me, do you think I care? This train gon' keep on rolling, there's no way that you can stop me, no. There's a fire in me, watch me light it up. Feel this fire in me, you can't turn me off. See, I'm going higher than you thought I would. See me doing things you said that I could never do. I'm nothing that you wanted, but I'm everything I am. And apparently that's enough, so you can get out of my way, because there's a fire for living my life way too loud. This fire that's inside me, it cannot be controlled. And if anybody feels me, go ahead and let them know it now. There's a fire in me. Watch me light it up. Feel this fire in me. You can turn me on. There's a fire in me. Watch me light it up. Feel this fire in me. You can't turn me on. Tried and true, that's the beauty of us. There's something that's to be said about the depth of our trust, and we're still here. You never left my side. We just keep getting better regardless of the times. Something to be admired. We are work of art. You give me inspiration. Baby, we're classic. Just like our favorite song, we can play on and on, and our love never gets old. Baby, we're classic. As timeless as can be, we will live on and on, and we got that history. We got the sweetest thing. We got the sweetest thing. Can't deny, we ain't no fairy tale, but we got more than a silver lining to hold on when things get bad. And every day I can't help but see in you a heaven on earth, a dream that became true. Together we are greater than when we are.
So here's the finished product. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead on and like it, and please subscribe for future videos on balloon and event decor. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.